Hello guys, it's Ben from Integrity Car Sales and Rentals. Today I'm going to show you this fully self-driven Toyota Porte. That means the person in the chair can actually drive this vehicle. We've got a wonderful set of hand controls here. We've got a spinner knob so you can easily use this car one-handed. You've got indicator stalks on either side in order to flick left and right. The whole car can be driven with this hand control. We've got forward for the brakes and we've got towards you for the accelerator. We've also got a full set of features here with a horn, high beam controls and hazard light switch as well. We've also got a locking pin here so we can lock the brakes on when we're sitting at the lights. You just push forward again to release and set it to the neutral position. So this is pretty much a one size fits all for a self-drive vehicle at this sort of size. We've got also a extended handbrake for the foot brake position down there as well. So now I'm going to show you releasing the chair from the vehicle as if I was the driver of the car. So we've got to turn off the car so the system knows that it's not running anymore and the driver's going to be now on releasing control of the vehicle. I'm going to bring it out now and I'll show you how that works. Okay, so now I've had the double beep occur just like all the other Portes. I can bring down my hand controls here, turn my controls on, and I can ride away. So what I'm going to do now is I can bring the platform back into the car, like so. Now I've just had the double beep occur again. That means that my platform is in position and ready for being stowed away. I'm using this wireless remote here, very similar to all the other vehicles on our system in our fleet. Now all I have to do is hit the button here to close the door. And now I can lock it and I can head off in my wheelchair. So that is really as easy as it gets. There's really not much to think about with this car. It really is an all-in-one package. You don't really have to do all that much thinking with it. Again, just following those double beeps when they occur, that means the car's happy in the right position. So I'll just show you how it works in the opposite direction, stowing the chair away so we can hit the road. Once again, I'm going to hit that button to bring open the door, and I'm going to bring the platform out with this button here. There we go, I've just had the double beep occur, which means the platform is in the correct position. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to line the chair up and get it onto the docking system so we can then load the chair back into the car. Okay, so now we are docked onto the platform and we are going to bring the chair back up into the car. I just want to point out, this is really special. We have actually replaced the hubs. I've personally tested them and there was too much resistance on these hubs. So we've got brand new ones straight out of Japan. Both sides have been replaced, which is fantastic. We should see many, many years worth of assistance out of this chair. So I'm going to bring it back up into the car right now. You can watch it as it folds the wheels away. And there we go, I've just had the double beep occur once again. So that is how this whole system works. As I've shown, with no assistance from anyone else, all I've got is Ollie here behind the camera. There's no one else around the car. So as you can see, this is all self-driven, no need for any external assistance from anyone else, which is a fantastic little system. It really, really helps promote that independence and gets you out without having to worry about getting back into the vehicle. So now that we're in position, we've got our seatbelt just here, and then we've got our buckle, which is attached to the chair. Nice and easy. We've got our hand controls once we're in position. We've also got down here, which might be a little bit hard to see while I'm moving around, I'm probably knocking the microphone. We've got a special little foot plate here that will prevent your feet from knocking the able-bodied pedals. We can flip that up to block those out, which is fantastic. Like I said, we've got a nice little handbrake for the foot brake. So I'm going to start the car and I'll just show you quickly how to bring the car forward and backwards using the hand controls. So we're going to turn it on. I'm going to close my door, turn the car on. And just to note that the car will not turn on unless it detects this seat in this position. So you got to make sure that you get the double beep when you're bringing the chair back in. Once you get the double beep, it means that the system recognizes that the chair is secured and in the driver's position. So we're just going to go real quickly. I'm going to take the foot brake off. I put the car in the brakes like so. You can put it into reverse real quick. And we're just going to slowly release the brakes. I'll show you braking. Just hold the controls. I can then put it into drive, slowly release the brakes, and put the brakes back on. Really, really nice little system. Really intuitive to learn. It doesn't take too long to learn the system. I learned it pretty quickly. So you've just got forward to hold the brakes, release to allow the roll forward, and then pulling towards you to enable the accelerator to go forward. Once again, we can just put it right back into park, release the brakes slowly, and I can put the handbrake on. Apart from that, you've got all your standard climate control system for the complete surround of the car. You've got folding mirrors, which will fold when you lock and unlock. And we've got a wonderful 9,100 kilometers. I nearly said that wrong. We've got 9,000 kilometers. This car is practically brand new as far as usage goes. You can tell within the carpets, it looks fantastic. There's really not that much needed to be done to it. You know, it will get a good clean out before you pick the car up. We've got nice new trimmings, no scratches on the inside or anything like that. Automatic windows, and yeah, it's a fantastic little car to help gain your independence again. As I said, you don't really need any assistance to use this vehicle. It's really great, so come on down and check it out.